mess as far as NPAs in telecom sector is concerned will be addressed. But let's move on from one NPA mess to another. It was a big day for the large stressed companies. Banks today paved the way forward for 3 large NPA cases in the steel sector. Sources tell CNBC TV 18 that marathon joint lender forum meetings were held today, separately of course, for Essar Steel, Bhushan Steel and Electrosteel steels. They together essentially make up over half of the debt of the top 12 defaulters that have been identified by RBI. Ritu Singh, who broke that story earlier today, is here with the details. Ritu, net, what were the outcomes of those meetings?
A very big day indeed, where the fate of 3 large steel stressed assets has been sealed by the bankers. The joint lender forum meetings were held at the State Bank of India today, and in these marathon meetings the bankers have come to a decision to send 3 large steel cases the NCLT way under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. These 3 large cases, as we reported earlier, include Electrosteel steels, Essar steels as well as Bhushan Steel, for which the joint lender forum has decided to send them to the NCLT as soon as possible. In fact, they're looking at a deadline of 30th June or latest before the 15th of July is when all of these 3 cases will be filed with the NCLT, which means now the bankers will have 180 days from the day that NCLT admits these cases to come up with a resolution plan, which can further be extended to a maximum period of 90 days. But at the end of that 210-day period, if no resolution is agreed upon by the bankers, as has been the case with most of these companies will go into liquidation. Therefore, enough incentive with both the bankers and the company to come together to revive it. Various resolution mechanisms have already been on the table for Essar Steel, for instance, in restructuring, for Bhushan Steel to be brought under S4A, and for Electrosteel Steel, where SDR failed and now other suitors are in the fray to buy stake. So these cases will have to be taken up by the lenders, and it'll be interesting to see what resolution they come up with. The debt of all these 3 companies together stands at over 1 lakh crore rupees, with Bhushan at 50,000 crores, Essar 44,000 crores and Electrosteel Steels with over 11,000 crores of debt.